Why does food sometimes burst out of your nose when you sneeze in the middle of eating? It's awkward, uncomfortable, and feels totally wrong. But it's really just a small coordination error inside your throat. Your mouth, nose, and throat are all linked together, and the timing between them is more important than you realize. So what's actually happening? I'll explain. And if you don't want this happen to you, tap like, hit subscribe, and share this now. When you sneeze, a strong rush of air explodes through your nose and mouth. If you're in the middle of swallowing, that sudden pressure can push bits of food upward into your nasal cavity and straight out through your nose.